What's up, JT? Who's this? David and Mark. What's going on, my friend? About 2013 Chrysler 300 C5 Hemi. When starting up, I hear the lifters, but then it goes away as it idles down. I don't hear this on initial startup. Will engine oil treatment work? David and Marcy Holling. You, my friend, what is this? This is a 2013. Okay. That is around the year we was having problems with the exhaust studs. And you saying it goes away as the engine warms up. Make sure this is not a exhaust tick as opposed to a valve train tick. They may produce the same sounding noise, but they are two different problem area. And I will admit that even tricks the most experienced mechanics. Okay. Yes, a guy sold a Hemi cam and lifter job. He was pulling off something and he saw where the stud was broke. So he put all that back together and started up, and yeah, so he ended up fixing that. My point is, I don't know if you have a trained ear to do that. You might have to get somebody with a trained ear that can tell the difference. Okay, because they can come off as sounding similar, but they're a totally different problem area. A valve train ticking noise from, say, a lifter can sound similar to an exhaust stud broken and exhaust escaping out of the manifold. That comes off, and that tends to go away after the car warms up. So you may have an exhaust problem. You got to get that listened to by a trained ear, because don't waste your money on a lifter job, or for that matter, what do you say? Well, engine oil treatment. You know what I'm saying? You might have an exhaust stud broken, my friend. Help that. It should be cold right now. Let me start it up, guys. Let's take a listen to something right quick. We're gonna try to get to the bottom of this. All right, let me start this up. Oh, I can tell. Oh, y'all hear that? I can tell. Where's the hood? I can tell off the bat that is not a Hemi Tick. Y'all hear that? Ladies and gentlemen, that is a tick, but it's not. It's not from. Hey, it's on this side too. Okay, it's first thing in the morning, cold. That is not a lifter camshaft type tick. All right, guys, do not get fooled, do not get tricked, okay? That is merely, in my opinion, now you don't know for sure until you get in it, but I can almost certain that that exhaust stud, that nut in the back, in the rear of the cylinder head has come apart, has broken. It's a known problem with these, okay? Now, they have since redesigned the exhaust manifold. I have seen one on the newer model Hemi. Okay, they got a whole new manifold on it. Something about the way they was bolting up to the exhaust manifold, and it's bolting up to the cat, things like that. But you see it, you don't hear it no more, right? So hypothetically, if this was a lifter or a camshaft tick noise, it likely would still be there. Look at that, the noise gone is my point. So I suspect, like I say, exhaust bolts. I didn't get to the point like I can tell that's the problem merely by listening to it. So as far as, and when you do one side, you're doing them all anyway, so it really don't matter as far as verifying which one's broke. All right. Yeah, some people would do, like I can hear it on this side here. Some people would just do that side. Some people sell both. Car running good. Other than that, yeah. Verify if that stud is not broken, or verify if it's a valve train ticking noise, is what I'm trying to say.